Welcome to the review of the Saubere Soccer Kit. What this kit comes with is one soccer ball. It does come with the actual pump itself so that you can make sure that this thing always stays aired up. If we look down here, we actually have 6 yellow cones that it comes with, and it does come with 2 soccer nets. So these soccer nets are easily installable, so you can go through. They all have anchor points, 4 anchor points per. This is actually a pretty sturdy soccer net, and if you look down this way, you also have the same down this way. So the kit itself also comes with a carrying case so that you can carry the Saubere Soccer Kit wherever you want to go. It also comes with this system, which you can actually tie to the net itself, and then you could practice on your shots. So we're actually going to go ahead and get into a family game, boys versus girls.